Hi, my name is Doug Knoll, and this video is about how to invest in a Regal Assets Gold IRA and receive free bonus training. At the end of this video, get my free 10-part training on how to invest in gold and get your free precious metals investor kit from Regal Assets. First, I'm an investor, not an advisor. My opinions are my own, and I have an affiliate disclosure to make. Financial Freedom is my professional review YouTube channel, and I may receive compensation from the companies whose products I review and recommend. Financial Freedom is independently owned by me, and the opinions expressed here are mine alone. Although I do my best to be objective, my recommendations may not be neutral or independent. Be sure to investigate, ask questions, and seek professional advice on any investment decision you are contemplating. In a moment, I'm going to outline my 10-part training that you can get for free after this video. But first, let me explain to you how easy it is to invest in a Regal Assets Gold IRA. The first thing you do is set up an account online. Then schedule a call with the Regal Assets account manager, who will guide you through the rest of the process. Be sure to ask a lot of questions. Decide how much you want to invest, and usually somewhere between 10 and 25% of your IRA portfolio would be prudent. And decide on whether or not you're going to invest in bullion or coins or a mix, and then decide if you want to allocate between gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. The fees that Regal Assets charge are the lowest in the industry. The initial setup costs you nothing. The annual administration fee is $100. The annual storage fee is $15 per $1,000 of investment. And Regal Assets requires a minimum investment of $10,000. Its preferred depository for storing your gold is Brink's Global Services. Earlier, I said I'd outline my free 10-part training on investing in gold. So I put together 10 training videos to help people understand what gold is as an investment. So the first video answers the question, is gold a good investment? Then we look at the Dow-Gold ratio, the relationship between the Dow Jones Industrial Average and gold over a 100-year period. We answer the question, is gold counter-cyclical? And then we look at the first part of investing in gold for the upcoming stock market crash. And we look at the second part, preparing for the coming stock market crash. And there will be a crash. Then we look at how to invest in gold bullion, how to invest in gold coins, and how to invest in silver, platinum, and palladium, alternative investments to gold. And then we look at 8 reasons to invest in gold. And finally, ask the question, should you invest in gold? And I explain to you my reasoning in making my decisions in the spring of 2020 to completely divest myself of stocks and bonds and put myself into cash and gold because of what I believe to be a massive stock market crash about to descend upon us. The training video links are sent to you over 7 days by email. And if this video was useful and informative, click on the link below to sign up for my free 10-part training on how to invest in gold and get your free gold investor kit from Regal Assets. Be sure to click on the link below, and we'll see you soon.